This video is how to write a function given the graph. So I am going to show you a graph of a linear function or of a straight line, and you are going to write the function. Now I want you to write these functions or equations in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. So you need to find the slope, and you also need to find the y-intercept in order to write these functions. So here are two graphs. Looking at the first graph, I know that my equation always has to start with y equals. And then I need my slope. Well, slope is always rise over run. Or, how far up and down do I go in between the points, and how far left and right do I go? So you can pick any 2 points you want. I'm going to pick this point and this point. Between those 2 points, I will need to go up 2. So I went up, which means it's going to be positive. And then I need to go to the right 3, which is also going to be positive. So my slope is 2/3, and I need to remember to put my x behind my slope. So y equals mx plus b. I need my slope, and I also need my y-intercept. So I'm looking at my y-axis, and looking at where does my line and my y-axis cross. They cross right here, which is at -1. So my y-intercept is -1. Let's look at the second problem. Again, our functions always start with y equals. Now we need to find the slope. Again, you can choose any 2 points you like. I'm going to choose these two. So to get from one point to the other, I'm going to have to go down 3. Well, if I go down, that's going to be negative. And I have to go to the right 1, so +1. Behind my slope, I always need my x, and then I need my y-intercept. So looking at my y-axis, where does my line and the y-axis cross? Well, that is at +4, so I need to put +4.